The Porsche 911 GT3 is not merely a sports car. It is a benchmark, a machine shaped by engineering discipline, motorsport heritage, and reputation earned through performance rather than promotion. From the street to the circuit, the GT3 blends race car precision with an astonishing level of everyday reliability. But behind its reputation lies a series of truths about maintenance, longevity, hidden weaknesses, and the options that determine whether a GT3 becomes a prized investment or simply another car. Today we open the archive on the 911 GT3 and examine what truly makes this machine one of Porsche's greatest accomplishments. The GT3 is not inspired by Porsche's motorsport program. It is part of it. Its DNA comes directly from the 911 Cup cars, the GT3 R, and the RSR platforms that have dominated endurance racing for decades. Porsche builds the race car first, then adapts it for the road. This direct lineage is why the GT3 behaves differently from other exotics. Its responses are sharper, its components are stronger, and its personality is shaped more by competition than by comfort.
While many supercars struggle with reliability, the GT3 is a rare exception. With proper maintenance, these engines routinely exceed 100,000 miles, often with frequent track use. Cooling systems are robust, PDK transmissions are nearly bulletproof, electrical issues are minimal, and consumables are easy to access for service. Few performance cars offer this combination of durability and precision. But no machine is perfect. The early 997.1 GT3 recorded several examples of crankshaft thrust-bearing failure, rare but documented. The 991.1 generation is known for higher oil consumption under aggressive driving. And across all models, the stiff front suspension means control arm bushings and ball joints wear sooner than on a standard 911. PCCB carbon ceramic brakes provide exceptional performance, but replacing the rotors can be costly. Track-driven cars will also require more frequent spark plug changes, brake fluid flushes, pads, and tires. Routine ownership, however, is surprisingly reasonable for a car of this capability. Oil services, brake fluid, occasional spark plugs, and tires make up the majority of annual costs. For prospective buyers, a few key details matter more than anything else. First, track use should not discourage you. A GT3 is built to withstand the circuit. What matters is documentation. Look for records of oil changes, brake fluid replacements, alignment sheets, spark plug intervals, and PCCB wear measurements. Second, review the DME over-rev report. Avoid cars showing recent high-range over-revs. They indicate mechanical abuse. Third, inspect the suspension for looseness or noise and use a paint meter to identify any unexpected bodywork. Front bumper respray is normal. Quarter panel repaint is not. Certain options greatly influence long-term value. Manual transmission cars are increasingly sought after by collectors. Full carbon bucket seats remain one of the most desirable interior features. The front axle lift system is essential for usability. Paint-to-sample colors often add significant value, as do PCCB brakes, provided the discs remain within wear limits. European market club sport packages and well-finished Racetex interiors also enhance desirability. The Porsche 911 GT3 is one of the few modern performance cars that fully earns its reputation. A machine shaped by motorsport, engineered for resilience, and capable of delivering a level of consistency few exotics can match. Whether driven on the street or pushed to the edge of a circuit, the GT3 stands as proof of what happens when a manufacturer refuses to compromise. This has been another chapter from the Archive of Machines. I am Charles Whitmore, and thank you for exploring this remarkable Porsche with me.